Hello everyone, this is Jim Pope with Cruise Auctions right here in the classic car capital of the world, Auburn, Indiana. Our auction is Labor Day weekend, so make your plans to join us. We're going to have amazing cars like this Porsche, this amazing Packard, a Bentley, there's Chrysler in the background. There's a particular car I want to bring attention to, and that's this car, affectionately known as the Black Rat. An amazing car, incredible condition, triple black car, with a soft top, of course, black interior, black, correct black, hard top, big block car, 425 horsepower car that has the 427. It is an amazing award winner. Numerous awards that this car has. Triple Crown recipient, Bloomington Gold Award, NCRS Top Flight, Chevy Vette Gold Spinner Award, L72 drivetrain, all matching, our Grenning Affirmation certificate. I mean, the list just goes on and on and on of the condition and the incredible provenance of this car. So please make sure you check it out on the website. Make sure you check out what we have to offer here at Cruise Auctions, and we look forward to seeing you Labor Day weekend right here in Indiana, the classic car capital of the world.